Would you like to know exactly what to eat to lose fat and get healthy without giving up your favorite foods or starving yourself? If you want to take all the guesswork out of your diet and follow a guaranteed-to-work plan, then you'll love my brand new custom keto meal plan service. For the last few years, I've united leading nutritionists, personal trainers, and chefs to develop custom keto meal plans that are effective, convenient, cost-effective, and, most importantly, enjoyable. And when I say custom meal plan, I mean it. These aren't your run-of-the-mill, here are some recipes pulled together from random blogs meal plans many nutrition gurus sell for way too much money. Instead, we tailor your entire meal plan to your own unique situation, needs, goals, and dietary preferences to ensure you experience optimal progress and follow a diet you enjoy. In other words, your days of suffering on ineffective and overly restrictive diets are finally over. It's time to start working based on a method that's best for you. Click the link in the description to find out more information.